I've finally attached the muffler to the axrxfx 87 Corolla FX16. I have a MagnaFlow catalytic converter, which is making more noise, I think, than the muffler, right underneath me here, which is kind of nice. It's a low rumble, feels good. And then in the back there, we've got a Total Flow muffler from Amazon, something cheap. Here's first rev. Not first rev, I've already done it, but still, first for you. Ready? It's pretty good. Off we go for a drive. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall down from over there. I've never tried to mount it on the side window before like this, so we'll see. The muffler is hanging a bit low. I'll show a clip here. I'll get my face right down in there. It's pointing down a little bit, more than I'd like it to. Now, I undertook this whole exhaust project to try to get rid of a rattle that I would hear at about $4 grand, and I kind of just felt like I heard a little murmur of it, but we'll see. The overall sound is pretty good. It's still got that rattle. It's not as bad as it was before. It must just be a heat shield or something. Right there. Right there, there's still a little bit of a rattle. It's got to be the heat shield back there. It has to be that heat shield. That's okay. I'm not too upset. I mean, the muffler that I took off was filled with rust. So it was definitely, you know, rattling all of its parts and pieces around. We're going to be behind a school bus getting on the highway here, but that's okay. Yeah, it still has that rattle. But man, it sounds good, other than that. It's going to be right here. Right at 4,300. There it is. It seems to move around. It's a harmonic thing, not a mechanical thing, so. Alright, getting up to speed. It's a little loud. But there we go. There's 70 miles an hour. Cruising. That is no drone at all. I like that. I don't know that I've ever actually heard real drone. What someone would actually call a drone. But it sounds good to me. We'll take another little loop-de-loo here and then go back up on the road I meant to go on. I'd be careful. It's a little slick out today. Can't go hooning it, because I would just slide it off, and then my exhaust work wouldn't be worth much, would it? With the car in a ditch. Alright, here we go. Third gear up. Up. That's 80. 85, maybe. But that was right at the top of the rev range. It was 7,500. I didn't push it all the way to 8, but still. Sounds good. Bye-bye.